Now we are going to do directed numbers. We are going to do the lessons directed numbers. Okay. Write down topic directed numbers. Okay. Now can you remember the directed numbers which we have done in grade 7? Okay. When you write number, okay, when you write a number, this like a naked number. Number there must be a sign. Okay, each number we write, there is a sign. What are the two signs can be? Either it can be positive or negative. This is called positive. Positive, negative. Okay, the positive and negative. අපි ලේසියෙන් කියනවා plus minus. හැබැයි හරි වචනේ positive negative. මේක additions වෙන්නේ. දැන් අපිට මේක අපි addition mark එක නෙමෙයි මේ. මේක sign එක. මේක positive sign එක, මේක negative sign එක. addition එක වගේමයි. මේක addition, මේක subtraction. එහෙම හිතන්න එපා. මේ තියෙන්නේ positive mark, මේ තියෙන්නේ negative. Okay, these are called signs. Okay, when you write number, it can be either positive or negative. When you write a number, it can be either positive or negative. When you write a number, it can be either positive or negative. Is it a positive too? We are writing the positive mark in front. Okay, we are writing the sign not behind the number. Okay, not behind the number, but in front of the number. We are writing the sign in front of the number. This is positive too. If the sign is negative, we write negative sign. This is called negative too. Okay, this is negative too. This is positive too. Understand? අපි ලේසියට කියනවා +2 -2. හරිද? එතකොට positive 2 වල ඉස්සරහින් sign එක positive නම් අපි සාමාන්‍ය sign එක ලියන්නේ නැහැ. අපි positive 2 ලියන්නේ just 2. right? මම දැන් මෙහෙම 3 කියලා number එකක් ලියුවොත් the sign in front of it is positive. If the sign is positive, we don't write it. But you should know the sign in front of this number is positive. If there's no sign, this means the sign is positive. If the sign is negative, okay, we must write negative. The negative too, we are writing negative like this. It doesn't change. You must write the negative sign. Understand? Okay. Can you just copy down signs? This is positive. This is negative. Okay, write down these two examples. Can you write down these two examples? Now we go to number line. Finish writing down these things. There is no sign. The sign is positive. If it's negative, there must be sign in front of it. There must be negative sign in front of it. The no sign means the sign is positive. Now, when you go to number line, can you draw the number line from +5 to -5? Now in the number line, look at the screen. In the number line, these side are positive side. Numbers from the right hand side of 0, this side, the right hand side of 0 is positive. The numbers from in the left hand side of the 0 are negative. Okay, the positive numbers mean numbers which are greater than 0. Okay, 0 වලට වැඩි numbers තමයි positive numbers. ඒ ටික දන්නවනේ. The 0 the මේ පැත්තට යන numbers larger වෙන්නේ. Number line එකේ left hand to right hand side move වෙද්දී numbers larger වෙනවා. Okay. 0 වලට right hand side තියෙන numbers. ඒ කියන්නේ 0 වලට වඩා වැඩි numbers positive numbers. 0 වලට වඩා අඩු numbers negative numbers. එතකොට මේ පැත්තෙන් අපිට ඕන තරම් දිගට යන්න පුළුවන්. මේ arrow head එක දාන්න මොකද? What is the largest positive number you know? Can you tell me what is the largest positive number? Uncountable නේ. මේ පැත්තට ඕන තරම් දිගට ලියලිය යන්න පුළුවන්. එතකොට මේ පැත්තේ numbers අඩු වෙනවා. What is the smallest negative number? What is the smallest negative number? මේ පැත්ත ඕන තරම් දිගට යනවා. Then it is going for the infinity. අනන්තය දක්වා යනවා. You can't get the value. Okay. Then what you have to remember is the numbers on the right, left hand side of the 0 is negative numbers. Numbers to the right hand side of the 0 is positive numbers. Okay. So මේවල sign එක අපි දාන්නේ නැහැ. හැබැයි ඔයගොල්ලෝ මතක තියාගන්න ඕනේ මේවල ඉස්සරහ තියෙන sign එක positive. Can you copy down this one? Zero has no sign. Zero වලට positive උත් නෙමෙයි negative උත් නෙමෙයි. හරිද? දැන් මම මේ 1 කියලා ලිව්වොත් මෙයා +1. -1 කියලා ලිව්වොත් මෙයා -1. 0 ලිව්වොත් මේකට sign එකක් නැහැ. මෙයා plus උත් නෙමෙයි negative minus උත් නෙමෙයි එහෙම නැත්නම් positive උත් නෙමෙයි negative උත් නෙමෙයි. 0 වලට sign එකක් නැහැ. 0 හරිනද ඉන්නේ. These are positive, these are negative, and 0 doesn't have a sign. These are not the negative. Neither negative nor positive. Okay. 0 is neither negative nor positive. Okay, no sign for the 0. Okay, write down this number line. Then write the subtopic addition of directed numbers. Addition of numbers using number line. Addition of directed numbers using number. Okay. Write down this heading, the subheading. Now, let's see how to do this now. +3 plus 2. Okay. Now this is positive sign. This is +3. Look at it. This is +3 and this is +2. It's a +3 තියෙනවා මතර +2 තියෙනවා මේ දෙන්න add කරන්න ඕනේ. +3 and +2 you have to edit. Okay. Let's see. You have done this one in grade 7. Okay. Let's revise it. How to do this one? Look at this. Okay. Now we have to start from the first term. What's the first number here? Positive 3. Go to the positive 3. You have to start from the first term, positive 3. Then look at the sign of the negative, the next number. This is positive. Okay, this is positive. In the number line, this side, the right hand side is positive. Okay, in the number line, right hand side is positive. The left hand side is negative. Okay, in the number line, right hand side is positive and the left hand side is negative. දැන් අපි මුලින්ම +3 වලින් පටන් ගන්නවා. හරිද? ඊට පස්සේ දැන් තියෙන්නේ positive 2 නේ. එහෙනම් positive පැත්තට දෙකක් යනවා. දැන් මෙතන number එකෙන් පටන් ගත්තා. ඒක මෙතන තියෙන positive උනා positive පැත්තට දෙකක් ගියා. කොහෙද අපි ඉවර වෙන්නේ? +5. මෙතන sign එක plus. The answer is plus. Do you understand it? If this is negative 2, we are moving negative side. If it's negative, we are moving to the negative side. Understand? Okay. If this is negative, we are moving to negative side. The sign here is positive. The sign here is positive. So we are moving to the positive side. Then where this arrow finish is the answer. අපි +3 වලින් පටන් අරගෙන ප්ලස් පැත්තට දෙකක් ගියා. එතකොට කීයද එන්නේ? Answer is +5. එතකොට positive 3 plus positive 2 is equal positive 5. Understand? Okay. Write down this one. This is example one. Okay, now. Now do this one alone. This is the next one, you have to do it alone. We have to change the number line. Okay, do this one alone. The -3 plus -1. Okay, now look at the screen. Look at the screen now. You have to start from the -3. Positive 3 නෙමෙයි. You have to start from -3. Then you have to go, look at the sign of the negative. This is negative. If it's negative, you have to move to the left hand side. How many times? 1 times. The Hagan fully like අපිට මුලින් පළවෙනි නම්බර් එකෙන් තමයි පටන් ගන්න. දැන් මෙතන -3 නේ. -3 වලින් පටන් ගන්න. ඊට පස්සේ දෙවෙනි එක්කෙනාගේ මැද සයින් එක නෙමෙයි. දෙවෙනි එක්කෙනාගේ සයින් එක බලන්න. දෙවෙනි එක්කෙනාගේ සයින් එක නෙගටිව් නම් අපි move වෙන්නේ left hand side. දෙවෙනි එක්කෙනාගේ සයින් එක positive නම් අපි move වෙන්නේ right hand side. දැන් magnitude 1 නේ එන එක නම්බර් එකක් පහු යනවා left hand side. මම magnitude දෙක වුණොත් දෙපාරක් යනවා left hand side. right, දැන් මෙතන -1 එන left hand side එකක් යනවා. එතකොට answer එක කොහෙද land වෙන්නේ arrow එක? මෙතන. Then answer is -4. Did you get the answer? -4. The last one. -1 plus 3. Do this one. This is the fourth one. -1 plus 3. Okay, students. Now we will start it. You have to start from -1. जैसे +3 ने दिन प्लस पैतर तुना क्या ना 1 2 3 we are doing it. मैं तेरे तमाम answer then answer is +2. You need to get this one.